welcome back to Like Sisters. My name is Maryam. My name is Sumayra. Today we're going to show you how to do a type of cake. What you need are this is like, what's it called? Sour cream. You need some flour. You also need some cottage cheese, but we will put it in the fridge so it can cool a little. And you need some sugar. You need some baking powder. And you need some egg yolks. And you also need some egg whites. We put them in the fridge so too. And you also need some butter. Let's get started. So we put a butter in a bowl, but we're going to put that aside for now. We have the egg yolk separated from the egg white. We're going to be putting it in here. So I'm going to get that egg yolk and put it in. Okay, so that, now I'm going to put it over there. Put it aside. Now we need some sugar. Let's put it in here. And then we're going to be starting to blend these two together. Now we're going to mix this inside of the butter. And you mix it until all the sugar in the bottom is finished. Then I'll take it. Yes. Okay guys, we're going to be putting the baking powder, so go ahead. So let's just keep putting in the baking powder until it's finished. I think that's finished. So now we're going to put like 2-3 cups, no, not 2-3. We're going to put a little bit of this too, sour cream. I think that's enough. Yeah. Now we're going to put like 2-3 spoons of this. So let me just put it like that. And let's see how it looks, and then if it's, we don't want it to be too thick, we just want it to be like a pancake mixture. So we're going to be mixing it until it's like the pancake mixture. Guys, we have our mixture here. It turned out to be a little bit thicker than a pancake mixture, but this is how it's supposed to be like that. And we're going to put this in our oven. Now when you go, please turn on the oven. We're going to be taking the pan from here. There are double. So let's put it over here. Okay, now we're starting to put in the dough. You can help me too. Here you go. I do. Now we put the oven. I'm going to be opening it up. We put it into 180 degrees. And we're going to be cooking it like in 30 minutes. And yeah, let me just put it. Basically, we have the egg white separated from the egg yolk. We put the egg yolk inside the cake. But for the egg white, we use it as a cream. We're going to be adding sugar, and Sumayra's going to be preparing part of it too. Okay, so I'm putting the whole cup of sugar in here. Okay, we're going to put this over here. And now I'm going to be starting to... Okay guys, we're going to first put Sumayra's mixture in. And in my mixture, we added sour cream and sugar and a little bit of cottage cheese. Okay. In my mixture, I added the egg whites and some sugar, 1 cup of sugar, and I blended it until it was like in this way. I'm gonna put it in. I'll just pour it all in like that.
Okay guys, we're done. We're first spraying this around. Now it's my own.
You can take the spoon away. I'll just take a spoon. And now I'm gonna be putting my mixture on top. Like that. Just gonna put like this. Okay guys. So I'm gonna put like in 10 minutes. Like 10 minutes in the oven. And like the cream has to be like a little yellowish. Can you move so you don't The cream needs to be a little bit yellowish. So yeah, I'm gonna put it in the oven for 10 minutes, and the cream needs to be a little yellowish. And then when it's yellowish, you take it out.
And guys, make sure you don't burn your hands once you're doing this.
Close the oven, and then we're gonna be waiting for 10 minutes, and
See you when we're done.
yeah, and while we're doing that, we're gonna be melting some chocolate. We already did that part, but yeah, so we're gonna be waiting. Okay, guys, we finished cooking it. This is how it looks. We melted some chocolate and put it all around it. And yeah, you put it like you cut it square and put it on a plate. And see you next time.
Bye. And guys, this looks like a mini cake.
We done
Bye.
that.